now we're gonna, you know, in the last video, this like step 2 or 3, because like I forgot to show you guys how to do the whole. When I meant any piece that matters, I didn't mean actually, but we need a whole piece right here with the black screw thing, and then we need to put like, you know, this V-shaped thing from Technic. I got from the Lego Technic, and it's, you need a V shape like this. Has to have a hole in the center, like right in the center of the V. And then you need a black piece right on the side and one on the bottom, but facing inside. So you can put it in like that. For the rubber band, you need this type of rubber band. Any thin rubber bands would work. No thick, no small. It has to be a medium size. I got it from Lego Action Contraptions. Okay, now for the keyboard. See, we this a 1x8 with 6 holes, and then you gotta put gray like any, but I put grays just for an example, and you gotta keep repeating it like 3 times, and then you see these 4. We gotta put these on the bottom right here, like that. But you gotta put this on the bottom as also. But you gotta get like a 4, like a 3 hole, 1x4, 3, 1x4x3. Put it on the bottom. You gotta put it on the bottom right here. See, as that connects. So then we gotta put another one right here. You gotta put one right here, and another one right here, and right here, and right here. Doesn't matter if you use the same pieces. Like, you could do whatever color, but you have to use this one just to keep the stability of it. So then you could put like, okay, now we're gonna do the bottom piece. Grab a 1x6 flat, 1x6 flat, and 2x1 and a 2x1 flat also. Then you gotta put it. You gotta get another one. You gotta put it right here. And then you gotta add 4. Keep on adding 4. You gotta add like one more 4. We gotta add like 8 4s, 9 4s. You add like 9 4s. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, like 5 or whatever. And then, wait, no, we need one more. See, so it could keep the. And then, you know, we need this sliding piece. We need a sliding piece. See, sliding piece. Then we gotta add it in the center, right here. Oops. We gotta add it in, like right here where the center is. Alright, okay. And then there, but we're not done yet. We're almost done. We gotta add, oops, my bad. We gotta add one more 4. Add one more 4, and then, and another 4, but I'm just gonna put a 2 on the bottom, so it'll be just perfect on the bottom. See? See? And then a hole right there. And then there's your typewriter. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Thank you.
My channel. Bye.